Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 125th program of HTML. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it and now we'll type the program. The new thing in this program is how to use section selection pseudo element. We'll start with doctype HTML, HTML tag, head tag, style tag, selection, color red, background, silver. Now we'll end style tag, head tag, body tag, now h1 tag. So now we'll end h1 tag, p tag, now we'll end p tag, body tag, and similarly the HTML tag. So now we'll just save it as 125th with the extension HTML and in all files. So now let us check the output. So this is our basic output of how to use pseudo element, but the background color we will see. And don't forget to check the tags in description, and please like and share